Alright, so we'll begin with components. This is the gateway drug to all 3D, so please pay attention and I would write down some notes. The first thing is, here is edit mode, and here's my object. So in object mode I can move, rotate, and scale this object, but I can't move, rotate, and scale any of the elements that make up the object. To do that, I hit tab or edit mode. Okay, tab will get you between object mode and edit mode. You can see as I hit tab, it toggles between the two. So tab is your best friend. Okay, so with tab, now what you can do is go either move, rotate, and scale, depending upon what element you have highlighted. One vertex or several vertices. Okay. So when you have a vertex, here's the vertex tool or vertex mode, you can move a vertex, but if you go to rotate a vertex or scale a vertex, it's not going to work because it's a single vertex. If you have vertice, which is 2 or more, you can then scale them, you can then rotate them. Okay. Now, if you have 2 vertices, though, I would ask you, why are you highlighting 2 vertices? You can highlight the edge. Okay, so you can go into edge mode and highlight the edge. An edge can be scaled, it can be rotated, and it can be moved. There's no limitations to an edge. Face, if you grab a face, you can highlight a face, you can move a face, you can rotate a face, and you can scale a face. And a face is made of 3 or more vertices. Alright, so those are components. Now, you might be asking, how do you jump between these? You know what I mean? Let's say I have to go up here every time, really? And I would say, yeah, unless you assign a shortcut. The shortcut key for these are not very good. You can see that there's not really a good one in place, but you can add one. You can assign a shortcut to it. A lot of shortcuts are already taken though, so good luck with that. Alright, so now let's look at selecting things in the next part. We can select one vertice. If you highlight shift, you can highlight many vertices, but there's going to be some tools over here that you're going to need to know on just selection alone. So let's go into the next part before we do that.